Hey, what's up guys, my name is Sean and we're going to be unboxing 2U concept of Chikai. I ordered the, I think it's the Weaver Standard Edition for 2U and also the Limited B. So let's crack into this. Alright, let's start with this one. Alright, here we have it. Wow, it feels a little weird having a jewel case CD. The last time that I got an album that was like jewel case is the Fight and Escape Together edition of Fighter Escape. But I know that jewel cases are like very common with CDs for Japanese releases, so alright, let's open this. Alright, let's take a look at the booklet if I can get it out. There we go. Alright, let's flip through. Oh, hello, Subin! Oh my god, the dimple. Some information, I suppose. And we got lyrics. Will never change. J3 Japanese version. So this is the group shot we saw online. And then Kitazuto lyrics. Oh yeah, the credits. Wow, I am so glad that I did buy the Limited B edition because I was not expecting there to be literally like only the one image. But okay, so that's what's in there. And then we have a Subin photo card there. Nice. Okay. Alright, immediately jumping into Limited B version. So I got Limited B because I knew that there would be like way more images to look at. And as you can like see by the thickness difference, it's definitely correct with that. Alrighty. Let's flip it open. Turn the CD around. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. I got a Subin message note and Kai. It's yeah, like a little deco card, I guess. Okay, so I have gums for my pulls. Nice. Alright. Let's flip through this book. Yeah, mood teaser image I like. Nice. Okay, it's very amusing. He's just like lying in the fake snow again because, you know, it is cold. It's ironic, but for sake of concept, it's pretty. Wow. So pretty. So damn pretty. Let's see how far I can bring this up. Yeah, I just gotta tilt it down a bit. Nice, nice. Oh, this one's so like precious. Oh my god, this image is so tiny. I don't know if it's on purpose, but the way the angle is showing him holding the fake snow, it literally looks like a heart. That is really cute. Oh, I love this one. This is so precious. It looks so adorable. That photo, because the image is so tiny in the layout. It reminds me of World. He did a very similar pose in World concept. I mean, honestly, he's done this kind of pose like a lot, so there's many different concepts or images that I could be recalling. He looks so cute here. Got the kitten eyes going. Nice. Oh, I love the snowflakey tanks. That's really cute. So beautiful. It has been a while since we've seen him in a tank top. Like, the last time he was in like tank top styling was literally like 2021 for like Freeze/Fighter Escape era. So it's been a while. So it's weird seeing him in a sleeveless top. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, I can't remember if I kind of accidentally did see I think I have accidentally seen this one. Because, you know, it's been like, what? A month since the Japanese release of the physical albums came out. And as usual, I was trying to avoid scan spoilers, but I don't know, at some point I kind of just gave up. So yeah, but still, that one's gorgeous. It looks so small here. So cute. Oh, so cute, especially because again the image is so small. That's so pretty. Ah, so pretty. Ooh, I really actually love this one. The expression he's giving. Very, like, dramatic. I feel like I also did see this one too, but oh, so damn beautiful. And like the heavy blushing to obviously, you know, add to the effect of like slightly frostbitten, I guess, or just like your face naturally flushes when you're cold. But yeah, they really went in with the blushing, which I really, really like. Oof, that one's gorgeous. Wow. Oof. Literally, what? What? I don't know why, but that is very attacky. Like the arms, the hands. Wow. And that's it. Wow, there's like not that many group shots, which is interesting. You've got the let's see, the main one here. This one was uploaded online, as well as this image, and then you've got this secondary like kind of like daytime image here, and then got this one here, which I think could be the same as in here. I'm gonna see. Yeah, exact same image. Interesting. So yeah, it's fascinating how with the Japanese physical albums, how they really lean more towards the individual cards for the members versus group shots. But yeah, damn it, my god, I did indeed buy Limited B, because definitely is where the concept photos are. Alright, so we have gums. I guess this kind of counts as like a bookmark kind of thing. Not sure, but I still like it. Actually, my phone is right here. I can literally double check what everything is meant to be. Yeah, bookmark set. Okay. My suspicion was indeed correct. Alright, so let me get this organized and then can look at everything in a much more pretty way and then wrap up. Alrighty. Yeah, I'll do this one. Okay. Here we have them. Let me get this centered. Or as centered as I can get it. Here we have it. So again, eventually I will get 2B concept. I don't know when, but I will eventually do that. And I don't know if I'll get the individual member versions. I don't feel like a great need to do so. I did really want to get 2U concept, both the standard edition and the limited B. I essentially wanted to get as much of the 2U concept as I could. I have no idea if the individual member versions are both concepts or just 2B, because you know the official cover is from 2B, but I don't know if it's both concepts in the one booklet. I don't know, I'm gonna have to ask somebody who I know has that. But anyways, here we have it, Chikai 2U concept. I love the concept. It's so beautiful, and we can now check off a different style of like a wintry wonderland kind of concept. They sort of did that for world concept, but that one was definitely like a different vibe. That was more like, you know, a frosty kind of vibe. This one's more like magical winter wonderland, or as we have loved to call it this ever since, you know, seeing the concept photos that came out on Twitter, is Narnia, very Narnia-esque. Yeah, so I will say I think I do like prefer the limited B version only because you get more of the concept out of it, but definitely happy with both. I think that's all my thoughts on it. I'm gonna try and watch the CDs. I do have a CD adapter on hand, so I ain't gonna be able to understand shit. I mean, they'll be talking in Korean, sure, so I can pick up on like little bits, but for the most part, I'm gonna be like purely working off of visual context for things, but I do really want to see the making of, so yeah. Alrighty. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing for 2U concept of Chikai. If you did, hit the like button below, comment below if you got the standard edition, the limited B, both, or what versions you got. And if there's anything else that you want to comment below, go right ahead. Don't forget to subscribe as well as turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Annyeong!